Respected parents, our honorable guests, and our beloved students, Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Amar Zahid, and I am proud alumni of Land of Learning School. Even though we are doing our FSC pre-engineering from PGC Sadikabad, yet Land of Learning School still feels like home to us. During our time here, we explored amazing fields like Scratch programming, Python programming, and robotics. These were not just classes, these were experiences that taught us how to think creatively, how to work as a team, and how to solve problems with technology. As you know, this is a world of technology. There is a race in technology. And if we want to survive in this modern era, we have to learn those skills. And robotics is the very beginning of this modern era. One of our favorite achievements was completing home automation system. It shows us how ideas can turn into real things. It was very fun, challenging, and was very educational. We are truly thankful to our teachers and Land of Learning School who supported and guided us at every step. Whatever success we achieve in future will strongly represent the foundations we built at Land of Learning School. Now, to demonstrate our project, I would like to call Muhammad Abu Bakr Siddiq to come on the stage and demonstrate this project.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself, Muhammad Abu Bakr Siddiq, and I am going to explain our project. In this project, we have used different types of sensors, and to control all these sensors, we have used a microcontroller. We have added different features in this project, like an automatic gate, an automatic shade, a fire alarm system, and a light system that turns on and off the lights by detecting daylight and night. Now, I am going to demonstrate our project. First, this is the automatic gate that we have made here. We have used an obstacle sensor here. When the sensor detects obstacle, it opens the gate. Next, we have made an automatic shade. We have used a sensor here that detects rain. And when it detects rain, it opens the shade. And when there is no rain, the shade remains closed. Next, we have made a fire alarm system. We have used a specific flame sensor here that detects flame. And when it detects flame, it turns on the alarm and alerts us. Next, we have made a light system here. We have used a sensor here that detects daylight and night. When it detects daylight, it turns off the lights. And when it detects night, it turns on the lights. The last sensor that we have used in our project is moisture sensor. It detects the moisture of the soil. You can see a greenish LED blinking here. It is indicating that there is no moisture in the soil. But when the LED stops blinking, it means the sensor has detected moisture in the soil. Now, I would like to call Hafiz Moishabaz to explain the practical implementations and benefits of this project.
Now I'm going to share the amazing benefits of our project. With this project, we can transform an ordinary home into smart automated home. By installing different sensors, we can make our home more modern, more efficient, intelligent and energy saving. Let's talk about its practical uses in the world. You might have noticed in big shopping malls that doors open automatically when someone approaches. That system works on the same principle. In oil and gas factories, where the risk of accident is high, sensors play a vital role in preventing hazards and ensuring safety. Even street lights that turns on automatically at night and turn off automatically at day operate through sensors, energy saving and reducing manual efforts. In the future, such smart sensor systems will be the foundation of modern cities, making our life safer, smarter, and more convenient. Robotics is not just about creating machine, it's about creating a better future. It's a symbol of how human imagination can turn the impossible into reality. The future of robotics is bright, a future where humans and robots work hand in hand for progress and peace. We are thankful to Land of Learning School for providing this platform, which has enabled us to perform on stage today. If you want to discuss our project one-to-one our stall installed on extreme left side of this auditorium, we are more than happy and will warmly welcome questions referred this project. Jazakallah and thank you so very much.